What up, YouTube? We back at it again. I am tearing through some Patreon requests, Patreon member requests. That I need to catch up. I need to catch up on a lot of stuff. So we're just going. I was asked to do Sean. I got you. Gennady Tkachenko. Sounds well. Basically, so Sean, your link. I clicked it. It said this video is private. So no idea what it was, where it was supposed to go. You did reference Georgia's Got Talent because I searched this dude's name and it showed up on Britain's Got Talent. I think I found something in Romania. This is the most viewed one, and it says Georgia's Got Talent. So this is called Sounds of the Earth. If this is not what you're looking for, my bad. But the link you sent me, I tried a couple times, was private and no good. So it's possible that whatever area I'm in, I'm in the States, but judging by your avatar, you're in the States too, from what I think. I don't know, maybe not. Sometimes if you're blocked in certain territories, I can't view stuff. I could run a VPN and give it a shot, regardless. We're gonna look at this, and hopefully we figure it out, right? Go support. I don't know if I'm saying that right. Gennady Tkachenko. Is it one of those is silent? The T or the K? Tkachenko. Go support. Please go like and subscribe. Of course, if you like what I do, like, comment down below. Make sure you're subscribed. If you want me to check something else out by Gennady, then definitely let me know. If this is not in my language, it says Sounds of the Earth. Are we not even making lyrics? We're just making noise. I have a little sound machine by my bed. It makes ocean waves. It helps Zach sleep. Zach doesn't sleep. Zach needs a lot more help sleeping. Let's make sure, like I said, make sure you like, comment, and you're subscribed, and let me know what else to check out here. Let's dive in. This is shot and arrow. So let's see what we got here.
Ну, давайте попробуем прочувствовать.
All right, I'm gonna make this. You know what? These okay. So 1 second here. There's no way I'm gonna get away with this. So I'm sorry, guys, but I'm gonna do a little something to that. He's saying, let us try to feel. Let me see if I can make this so that y'all can read the subtitles. I know, I'm wasting a ton of time, but I'm doing it for you guys. Okay. You can kind of see the subtitles.
О чем же нам хочет поведать матушка Земля?
I'm so glad I went headphones right now. Usually it doesn't matter, but this matters. I'm only pausing this because I likely have to get it through. Copyright on shows like this is stupid, but he's like doing his own echoing, and he's got like an amazing voice. But like the nature sounds, he can make a killing. I'm like Discovery Channel, nature channels, anything like that, versus like Sirius XM radio. And have you ever been like salon, spa, whatever, like the shit they play in the background where you're getting like a massage or, whatever they do for you. Um, this type of shit. Uh, just hire this dude to run some tracks like all day. That shit's amazing. Animal sounds. He's doing his own like. Uh, he's got like reverb on that. That's nuts. Yeah, we got animals and tribal sounds and like nature like wow.
Спасибо большое.
Спасибо за космос!
Oh, and we're done. Sorry, let me clean this up. Holy shit. Well, you guys didn't really need subtitles. He didn't say a damn thing, really. I feel like my man just like. I feel like Laura Croft just opened up this crazy tomb, the oldest tomb ever, and my dude just came out and stole and told the story of time without saying anything, really. Just like if you want, if anybody ever asked you to give the talk to your kids about the birds and the bees, I just reference my guy right here, because he knows things. He's obviously been around centuries, dude. I joke, but that was fucking amazing. I never seen anything like that. Yeah, the nature sounds are wild, and I know that there was effects which he kind of had pre-planned and built in, but like it was crazy. He had this like he kind of took you through like time. He went from like these like kind of somewhat like ancient kind of tribal when he was vocally putting any sort of lyrics or besides the nature sounds, any sort of like any tone or language at all into it, with regards to speaking, or I don't even know how to like iteration, or literation, whatever. It went from like it sounded like it went from like older tribal to like, and then he went into like it almost sounded like kids playing, like that was nuts. Yeah, you got all your like your wind sounds, your water sounds. You got all the sounds in nature, birds and insects and different animals rummaging through bushes and shit. Like he just told a story of time vocally. That was wild. Gennady Tkachenko. Okay, now I know. I think this is like 4 or 5 years old, maybe even more. This video is, I could be wrong. 6 years old, something like that. I'm not really sure. Um, I'll look it up, but that's the first of that I've ever seen. I see people do noises before, but like not like that. That's like caveman beatboxing. Um, go support Gennady, please. Go like and subscribe. I'm interested to know what else he does because he has like almost like a trained operatic type voice structure when he starts getting into actual notes and carrying them. Um, but I don't know how you train, to do. You go camping a lot. I have no idea. That was wild. Go support my guy. That was nuts. That was awesome. Please go like and subscribe. If you like what I do, of course, like, comment down below, subscribe. Appreciate it very much. It does help the channel. Best way to get me is on Patreon. That's where this request came from. That's where most of my requests do come from. So definitely jump over there. I don't really even know what to say because I don't really know how to react to that because I've never seen anything like it. You can't really break stuff apart. My man's making nature sounds. So it's the coolest type of weird ever. Have a wonderful rest of your day, your night, whatever time zone you're in. We'll talk to you on the next.